Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use coupon on Shein app. It's pretty simple. To use a coupon, you need to buy some stuff in Shein app. So you can choose whichever product you want to buy. So for this video, let's say I want to buy this little hair clip. I will just order this hair clip. I will click on add to cart. Once it's added to my cart, it's going to be shown at the bottom right corner. I will click on my cart and I will click on checkout at the bottom right corner. Then it's going to take me to this place. First, I need to choose my delivery option. So I need it to be delivered quick. So I will choose express shipping. I will click on continue to payment. Once I do that, at the bottom, you can see the option called apply coupon. Click on apply coupon. Over here, whichever coupon or whichever code you have, enter it over here. Once you enter the code and click on apply, if the code is correct, you will get however much discount the code gives you. Once you receive the discount, you can enter your payment method and pay the rest of the money you need to pay for the product, and at the bottom click on place order and the product will be ordered with your coupon code being applied. That is basically how you guys can use coupon code on Shein app. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.